Welcome to user cable track and fault locator. This instrument is composed of a sender, receiver, magnetic induction probe rod, positioning detection frame and so on. It is a special instrument for fault location test of optic or electricity power cable. The test object is a metal conductor, cable pair, protective layer, shielding layer of various optical or power cable. Its main functions are location test for poor ground insulation, cable path detection and cable buried depth test. Magnetic induction probe rod, positioning detection frame, earth pile, the power cord, signaler output line. Let's talk about a cable fault tracking case. When finding the path and fault point of cable, these are the tools we need. This one is the probe. It can rotate. This one is the grounding pile. It is used for grounding. This is the cable that connects the sender to the tested cable. It has red and black clips. This is a location detection frame, a frame. It has red and green color foot to colors. It is used to identify the direction of cable fault. This is a cable connecting the positioning detection frame to the receiver. This is a cable track and fault locator. Open the box. It contains a sender and a receiver. A sender transmits a signal to the cable. Use a receiver to receive the signal. Then we can find the path of this cable. Use the probe and ground pile, and a red and black connector. We insert the grounding pile into the ground. Insert the red and black clip wires into the terminal of sender. Then, clamp the red clip to either core of the tested cable, the black clip to the grounding pile. Press the button to switch on. Pointer bias to 0. Under normal circumstances, after switch on, the pointer point at the place of 4. If after you finish the above connection of cable, the pointer bias towards 0, it means the cable have short circuit fault. This probe can bend 90 degrees or 45 degrees. Let's talk about tracing function. Press the on key of the receiver. We can track it. Insert the probe into the probe port of the receiver. You can hear buzzing sound. Fold the probe head in 0 angle to the probe handle. then point it to the ground. As it sweeps across the cable, it will be less loud or no sound. Look for silent points in turn. Then we can find the path of the cable. Above it's the tracking function. Next we are going to show a cable fault location case. We will show how to locate cable faults. First, insert the corresponding connecting line into the position detection frame. And the positioning port on the receiver. Turn on the sender. Notice the change of pointer in the screen. When we don't connect the faulty cable, the pointer is pointing at 4. When the faulty cable is connected, the pointer biased towards left. It biased to 2 or 0. This is a short circuit fault between the core and the earthing. Then turn on the receiver. Press the fault button. You can find the fault point of the cable through the red light and green light. Insert the location detection frame into the ground along the path of cable. We can find the pointer is pointing towards green color, the green light is on. And look at the color of the location detection frame. This foot is red. This foot is green, so we need to go in the direction of the green color foot in order to find the point of fault. If we change the direction of location detection frame and insert it into ground, you can see the red light is on. Hold the location detection frame, walk 5 to 10 meters in the direction of red light. Reinsert into the ground. One more point to clarify. If the pointer is swinging back and forth, red and green light is flashing back and forth. That means you are a long way from the point of fault. But when you are within a certain range of the point of fault, the pointer only points in one direction, either a red light flashes or the green light flashes. Okay, back to our case. As we move forward, we see the pointer is still pointing towards red. The direction indicated by the red foot of a frame is the direction of the fault point. Go in this direction. When you are near the point of fault, pay attention. We can see the red foot is closer to the point of fault, so the red light is on. If the green foot is closer to the fault point, green light will be on,
就在红绿交界处的地方，现在绿。
So the point of fault is where the red and green meet. We can imagine and see there are two lines demonstrated. The red line is parallel to the location detection frame. Green line is vertical. Point where the two lines intersect is the point of fault. Above is the cable fault location method. Next, please read the note on your own.
Thank you for watching the tutorial video prepared by HV Hipot Tester.